Welcome back to the channel. As you see from the title, today we're preparing some pepperpot soup. So if you want to see how I achieved this, just keep on watching. And to my new supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for joining me. And for those that haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Put your bell on for future uploads. And to my day one supporters, enough respect. So let's jump straight into the video. Okay guys, here we have some chopped onion and garlic. We're going to saute this. After sauteing for 2 minutes on low flame, we're going to add some potato cubes, carrots, and a few pieces of pumpkin and allow that to come to a boil with a cup of water. Then we're going to move on to the other steps. So just keep on. Things that I did off camera that wasn't recording. I had some salt beef to boiled. I scalded it twice, then I put it to boiled. So now I'm adding a portion of that water that I used to boil the beef to the pot along with my coconut milk, and we're going to allow this to come to a boil while we prep the rest of ingredients to complete our soup. So here we already made our dough for our dumpling. In that bowl we have yam, we have cocoa, we have sweet potato, and there is our salt beef. I cut them in small pieces. We have some okra, we have spinach. We're going to use callaloo as well. So here is our pot boiled in a way. Now we're going to add the ground food and form our dumplings. Stir well, add more water, and allow to start the cooking process. We'll come back then. Just continue watching, guys. Now that this has come to a boil, we're going to add the okra, the callaloo, the salt beef, stir well and cover while we prep the season to complete this dish. Okay, we're getting there. Here I have a pumpkin soup mix. We're going to take a small amount of the seasoning along with a couple pieces of the noodle. Stir well. Add scallion, thyme, add pepper, pimento seed, and bay leaf. Allow to boil and adjust taste if needed. After which, this is ready to serve in 5 minutes. This is ready to serve, guys. It was very tasty. I must say I haven't had this in a while, like some years. And I believe this is my first time making pepperpot soup. The turnout was spectacular. Yes. So if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Also put your bell on so you will get notified for future uploads. So thank you guys so much for all the support, and I'll catch you in another video. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.